Namaste, everyone. I have some exciting news to share with you today. We have upgraded our entire learning journey for all our courses. So, firstly, we have an Ayurveda foundation course. It teaches the fundamental principles of Ayurveda, the doshas, the dhatus, the Ayurvedic understanding of human body and mind, the prakriti examination or the constitutional assessment, and then to understand the imbalances and how to prevent them using Ayurvedic preventative medicine. Daily routines, specific seasonal practices, Ayurvedic nutrition, and also understanding the Ayurvedic way of life with the help of nine Indian philosophies, which helps us to understand the human mind and life and its purpose. This course makes a strong foundation not only for your personal well being, but also for your professional journey in Ayurveda. After completing the foundation course, you can focus on our Ayurveda Therapist Level 1 program. Here you will learn about herbs, specific treatments, and the study of several common health conditions through the Ayurvedic understanding of disease diagnosis and how treatments are working. This level takes your knowledge further and prepares you to apply Ayurvedic principles in a practical and therapeutic context. This is the beginning of your Ayurveda therapist journey. Now, here comes the good news. Both of these courses will now be available as self study programs. This means you can enroll anytime and progress through the materials at your own pace. No more waiting for batches to start. You can simply enroll to these courses. And you will also have an access to a community of other students where you can discuss your learnings and even share your experiences. Once a year, we will open the doors of our Ayuskama Ayurveda clinic here in Dharamshala. And especially if you have done the therapist level 1 program, then you can come and practice everything you have learned with me and other students right here. This experience is highly recommended for all the therapist students because it will give you the confidence you need to practice on others. So the courses are open for enrollment now, and I look forward to connecting with you. Namaste. Hope to see you soon.